Hello everyone. Well, as you can see, this video is a bit different. This is a Fujitsu Siemens laptop or just a Fujitsu. I don't know anymore, I don't care. Yeah, it's only Fujitsu. It's my friend's Mihai laptop that has apparently overheating problems. Well, he asked me if I can open it up and clean it for him and change the thermal paste. And I said, hey, yeah, why not? I have time. Not that I have so many Nokia phones to refurbish, I have enough time, yeah. I'm just kidding, I will gladly help him. Let's get to it. I don't need this. Oh, as a tip, if you're looking to upgrade your laptop with RAM or SSD, this kind of laptop that has a service door like this and this, you can open it to change or add some components, but if this whole face is a full cover, you can't open it unless the warranty expires. Otherwise you will lose it. DVD writer out. Oh, this one has an extra screw? Yes, it does. Apparently this one had two screws, here and here. Okay, yeah, like this. Here is the hard drive, which I'm going to detach now. I already see some dust in, especially on the cover, see? Oh my god. Extra careful when handling this hard drive. Well, no wonder it's overheating. Although it doesn't look that bad. Maybe I'm overreacting, who knows. You know what? This is gonna take a while, so I'll unscrew all this and be right back to you. Oh, I have to take this off first, okay. Well, since the screws are out, there are other laptops that you don't have to take this out, just the keyboard comes off and that's that. Yeah, this is that kind of a thing. Usually, if you just want to clean it, all you have to do is take the cover, take this fan off. I want to do an extra clean for him, you know? Yeah, that's why is it like this. Where is that flex cable? Here it is. As you can see, dust is in here as well. I don't know why those cables are from the monitor, but whatever. Well, why not this cable as well? Taken everything out. After all, I have actually taken the motherboard out as well, so yeah. Or you know what? There's no need for that. I'll leave this here. Only this. Because it's glued here and there's that small... This is the second. Easy to take off. Good. And that's that. Always check twice. Okay, it's already fallen. Holding it good here. And there we go, lift off. This is the monitor or the LCD screen or whatever. So many screws. Huh? Oh, I don't think I have to. Oh. There we go. Well, it does have some dust. Oh, oh, I think I saw it. See this? Look at this. This is why your laptop gets hot. Ladies and gentlemen, the fan. This is better to clean if you have an air compressor to blow air on it. But if not, you can clean it with a brush, paint brush. And there we go. Almost. Oh my god, so much dust. Well, I'm not surprised actually, I've seen worse. Oh, this dust already formed like a sponge. This has a detachable processor. So yeah, this is an older laptop. The new ones are soldered directly to the motherboard. I prefer it more like this. Let's see what we have here. Okay, easy, easy. There's definitely a cable that's holding here. Yeah, look at this dust where the cooler is. Watching for other hidden screws if there are any. Apparently not, thankfully. Yes. Another cable? No. Ladies and gentlemen, the motherboard. Probably should have worn my gloves, but eh. I think this would be part 1 of this laptop cleaning, and the part 2 will be the cleaning, the actual cleaning of all this, and part 3 will be reassembling. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it or found it useful for this kind of laptop on how to disassemble it. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It helps me a lot. Well, have a good night. Bye. Mother